In sports, Nigeria win African Nations Cup.
Yes, now for that side for Morocco where the thing pass. Nigeria, they start play final against Morocco. Morocco began to win their first African Nations Cup. Nigeria don't win 9 times. Now than that, they enter to play the ball. Pam 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 pam. Dambana sense. Morocco. Cha 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 cha. Pam. Aya. Morocco 1 goal. I see Morocco now 1 goal. They see the goal. They play the goal. Countryman, countrywoman. They see the goal. They continue. Now in that again. Pam. Number 2. They see the goal. All man that the team say they so how the team go for the way the team don't go. Morocco, it already win that the AFCON. Now for nothing say, now for forget say Nigeria no me na play. Now that Nigeria bang. He score 1 goal. They play for 64 minutes. Nigeria score number 2. Now 2-2 that. Now so the body go. They play the goal. Hey, countryman. Now Nigeria that for 84 minutes. Bam! Nigeria score number 3. Number 3 goal. Now so Morocco player then they begin cry. Whoa, Allahu Akbar. Oh, God is great. They cry, countryman. May that cry, you know, have any situation because Nigeria we don't already win them. So Nigeria don't win African Nations Cup for number 10 time. For the African, no, Nigeria get it, no. Now they be champion, no nothing, no faking. For Palava Ndamba for woman, no. Now Nigeria didn't have a top. Yes, now they be the number 1 na Nigeria when they talk woman football for Africa.